वेगवेगळ्या दुयेंसांचेर आळाबंद हाडटले जाल्यार पंचायतींनी फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय आनी भलायकी केंद्रांनी तांकां सपोर्ट दिवपाक जाय ह्या मुद्द्याचेर एकमत जालें. गोवा कॅनच्या रोलंड मार्टिनान बार्देसांतले वेक्टर बॉर्न डिजीज कंट्रोल ड्रायव्हाचो नियाळ घेतना सांगलें.
They are going to provide training for the members. They will provide a kit for testing the water. It's very clear. It is come from Government of India. So what I think is that all health centers must be briefed about it, and they should now start writing an email to the Department of Drinking Water. ओळख करून घेवपाचें. Each health center should write to the Department of Drinking Water.
वेक्टर बॉर्न डिजीजीस कंट्रोलाच्या संदर्भात म्हापशां बार्देश ब्लॉक कमिटीची बसका जाली. विविध दुयेंसांचेर आळाबंद हाडपाचे मोहिमेत पंचायती भलायकी केंद्रांचो कसो तेंको मेळटा, कितलो वांटो विंग्स घेतात आनी कितें करपाक जाय अशा वेगवेगळ्या तासांचेर हे बसकेत चर्चा जाली. गोवा कॅन अशे तरेचे ड्रायव्ह घेवपाचेर भर दिता. साबर मोहिमांचो फुडाकार गोवा कॅनानच घेतला. त्या उपरांत सरकारी यंत्रणा जाग्यो जाल्यात हो आयजवेरचो अणभव.
We had today our 36th joint block committee meeting chaired by the joint Mamledar. We had discussed all the issues related to vector-borne disease in our Bardesh area. Mr. Martin has briefed regarding different points related to this issue, and actually for the whatever needed has to be operated also will be followed in next few days.
So today was the block level meeting for Bardesh block on reviewing the situation of vector-borne diseases, in the 6 odd health centers, and what we really looked at is how we are getting cooperation from the panchayat, municipality, or whether the entire burden is still continuing on the staff of the health center. So today again we took a resolution that we should keep in touch with the panchayats and ask them to do the cleanliness drive, and health center should support them, not the other way around. What is happening here, the health center has to do the cleanliness drive and panchayat is saying we'll support you. So we want to change that. Second thing is that we have dwelled a lot about the display of the boards at a construction site. Now there are some construction sites which are abandoned. Now when it is abandoned, it is no man's land. Nobody is taking care of it. So today we have decided that we will see that proper board is there, name of the person, contact number. In case there is some water stagnation, bleeding and all, quickly some action can be taken. So this effort will be made, and soon we will be making a design of the board. Then we also propose that many times now somebody's blood is tested and he is told that he is a suspect case of dengue. Then he gets that it is not confirmed case. So we have proposed, that many times these are small notings made on the case paper, and many of the people who cannot read, they don't understand it. So we have proposed one small paper which says the test was done on so and so day it was considered suspect. Now it is confirmed that it is not a confirmed case, and you need not panic. You see what is happening, a lot of panic amongst the family members that this is system is not working, I should go to a private laboratory and all that. So just to reduce the thing. Then we have also talked today about training the members. Now you see in all the panchayats, what was there as a village health committee, they are now being converted into Jan Arogya Samiti. It's called JAS. So what we have proposed that every health center, for the number of panchayat, the members of that committee, they should requisition this book, and be provided to the members. So the members get good knowledge of what is their role and how they should contribute to this whole campaign. And finally, we have proposed that from 25th April to say, 10 days, they should organize some awareness program, because 25th April is World Malaria Day, So we are hoping this time to collate all the proposed program, and we can reach this information to the media also. Media can give it good coverage in all health centers of Bardesh block. So this was the thing, and finally we will be taking also asking for a compliance report on the fish market. As you know, the fish market issue originated from this meeting, and entire inspection, everything happened from here. So we are asking now put in the minutes the compliance report that has come.
सरकारी कामांनी सदांच गचाळपणा दिसून येतात. कोणेतरी घाळपणाकडेन वा उणावाकडेन बोट दाखोवपाक जाय आणि त्या उपरांतच सरकारी यंत्रणा जाग्यो जातात. जॉयंट कलेक्टरा बरोबर जाल्ले बसकेत गोवा कॅनाच्या रोलंड मार्टिनान भलायकी अधिकाऱ्यांची गचाळपणा दाखवून दिली. पळयात इन हाऊस डिस्कशन.
The government personnel are there. The public, the citizens have to get involved. So for them, any training was conducted. Doctor, any training was conducted. This is a very massive handbook. See, it is handbook for members. All the members have got this copy.
Actually, there is a CHO for this conducting CHO in the subsector. He is conducting that meeting.
Who is the CHO?
One house big officer or
Yes. So is the copy of this given to every member?
initially for one subsector. I conducted.
No, my point is very simple. Have you got copies of this for each member? In Porvorim, each member has got. So put in the proposal, no, write to DHS. Government of India, tell them to send books. See, if I don't have the book in my hand, how will I know what I am supposed to do? So it is very clearly handbook for members. Correct? So members should have a copy. Okay, so we'll put in a minute, let DHS through Government of India, whatever, see then. Now X number of copies are available for Seoli, Aldana, all sectors. So that at least in the next 2 months they get a copy. They can read it and they know what is their responsibility, what they should do. If they have any difficulty,